리틀송랜드.
Let's say, oh, oh, what is this? Something's changing now. Back legs popping out, front legs popping out, all transformed. It's a frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, little frog. Hop, hop, jump along. Splash, splash on the water. Jumping high and strong. Ribbit, ribbit, little frog. Everybody say, hop, splash, hop, splash. Ribbit, ribbit, yay! On a lily pad it sits, climbing up so slow. Big bright eyes are shining, looking all down below. Stretching out its tongue, snap, it eats a treat. Such an amazing friend. Who could you be?